Military court imprisons famous lawyer. Human Rights Watch stated today that the imprisonment of a famous lawyer on March 2, 2022, after disagreeing with police officers represents a disturbing new step in the expropriation of civil freedoms since President Kais Saied assumed exceptional powers on July 25, 2021. A former government minister and leader of Tunisia's national bar organization, Abderrazak Kilani, has been imprisoned for peaceful speech following the overthrow of Zine el-Abidine Ben Ali in 2011. According to reports, a military court has formally indicted Kilani, a civilian, in relation to an altercation he had on January 2 with security agents who were preventing him from entering a hospital. When he arrived at the client's residence, he discovered that he was under house arrest. He lambasted the president throughout the conversation. In the wake of putting dozens of opponents under house arrest or denying them permission to travel, Human Rights Watch's Salsabal Chelali stated, "To throw Abderrazak Kilani into Mornagir prison conveys a disturbing new message that no one who challenges President Saied's power grab is safe." Accused of disturbing the public order, insulting public authorities, and inciting to stop performing their responsibilities under Sections 79, 125, and 136 of the Criminal Code, lawyer Samir Dilu tells Human Rights Watch that Kilani is charged with all three offenses. It is possible that the military court has jurisdiction since the statement in issue was directed to members of the security forces, another of his attorneys stated. If found guilty, Kilani may be sentenced to 7 years in jail. Kilani, who is 67, was a deputy prime minister from 2011 to 2013. He was in charge of the relationship between the government and the country's new parliament. He has also served as the president of the bar organization and as the United Nations representative in Geneva. An informal coalition of Tunisians opposed to Saied's exercise of extraordinary powers, Citizens Against the Coup, includes him. Following the arrest of his client, former Justice Minister Noureddine Biri, Kilani traveled to Bizit's Habib Bourguiba hospital on January 2. Until his family learned he was in the hospital under security and on a hunger strike in protest of his confinement under assigned housing without charge after plainclothes officers seized him on December 31, their whereabouts were unclear.